With thousands of WordPress products available on the market, it has become a hard job to cut through the noise and choose the right theme and plugins that suit your needs. Think of WordPress themes as the bare skeleton of your website. Your theme must be robust, well-coded, secure, fast, responsive, easily customizable, and validated on the latest versions of PHP and WordPress. It should also be e-commerce ready, translation ready, AMP-friendly, and even support right-to-left languages. All that, though, will still not be good enough. Premium WordPress themes should also have the following 3 core features, which are rarely found despite their extreme importance. First of all, the theme should be perfectly accessible according to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, Level AA. Web accessibility is not optional anymore, and it is a requirement by law in many countries. The second problem is that the majority of WordPress themes do not fully support the popular page builders like Elementor and Beaver Builder. They do allow you to use a builder to create your pages, but not to build your website's header, footer, and other parts as well. This is precisely the main difference between a theme that is just compatible with page builders and one that fully supports them. Last but not least, the theme should be licensed under GPL v2 or GPL v3 without license keys, restrictions, or limitations. As a user, you should have the full freedom to use the theme as many times as you want and install it freely, even on your client's websites. The theme should not disturb you with license keys or limit your usage in any way. The theme should also provide freelancers and agencies with white label capabilities to serve their clients professionally under their own brand name. Most WordPress themes that you see on the market suffer from several problems that end users can't easily detect. Some depend on too many plugins for them to work, bloating your site with useless features and slowing it down. Others are not well optimized for mobile devices and fail in web accessibility tests. In addition to that, the majority of them are heavily restricted with license keys or not affordable for startups. The most useless feature, which you see everywhere, is how every theme brags about the number of ready-made full-site demos it has. The truth, though, is that when building a website, you can't use the demo site as it is. You have to change everything in it, including the text, images, colors, and fonts. It would be much faster for you to build it from scratch than to modify a demo to match your company's brand. If you need one-page templates and layouts to help you craft your pages, all page builders provide that. However, when you're shopping for a theme, your eye is instantly drawn to things like colors and photos. We're all visual creatures, so those are likely the first things you'll see and feel. The fact is, though, that they don't matter when you are building your website. You won't be using the stock images displayed in a theme's demo or the default text or colors that come with it. Therefore, as hard as it may be, you can't base your decision on the visual demo that the theme provider is giving you. In fact, as a WordPress specialized agency, we never use a ready-made demo for our clients. It has always been proven to be faster and better for us to build it from scratch or from one-page empty layouts. That ensures the originality and uniqueness of the design. Not to mention that it is at least 2 times faster than taking a ready-made full-site demo, repurposing it, removing the unneeded pages, and cleaning its generated unneeded assets. As you can see, finding the right theme that satisfies all the essential points is a hard, tricky, and time-consuming job. That's why we created the Labinator WordPress Marketplace, which instantly solves this problem and many more. Our marketplace covers all your WordPress needs, from themes and plugins, in one affordable package. Everything is licensed under GPL v3 without license keys or restrictions, while being perfectly optimized for responsiveness, accessibility, speed, and security. No more jumping around between multiple WordPress vendors. Get everything you need to build your dream website in one package. With our premium themes and plugins, you have everything you need to build your desired application or website. That includes blogs, business websites, membership portals, online stores, portfolios, and anything you can imagine. Discover the difference today at Labinator.com.